You need to take off a wheel, but the locking lug nut key is lost. The dealership wants serious money to remove them, and tow companies charge even more. The good news is that several methods work without the original key tool. Here are 7 proven ways to remove wheel locks without a key using tools you may already have. Use a lug nut removal socket set. A specialty lug nut removal socket has internal hardened spirals. Its job is to bite into the wheel lock when you turn it counterclockwise. When the socket grips the lock tightly, you can remove it with a standard ratchet. These sockets come in sets that cover most common lock sizes. The set costs between $15 and $40 at any auto parts store. How to use it? Buy a lug nut extractor socket set with at least 6 sizes. Choose a socket that is slightly smaller than the wheel lock. Hammer it onto the lock with a mallet until it bites firmly. Attach a breaker bar or ratchet and turn counterclockwise. The hardened spirals grip the lock and remove it. Replace the lock with a standard lug nut afterward. Use a slightly smaller 12-point socket. A regular 12-point socket, one size smaller than the wheel lock, can grip the lock teeth. Its job is to wedge onto the lock pattern with enough force to turn it. When hammered onto the lock, the 12-point teeth dig into the lock surface and provide a grip strong enough to remove it. This method costs nothing if you already own a basic socket set. How to use it? Choose a 12-point socket one size smaller than the lock head. Hammer it onto the lock with a heavy mallet. Use a breaker bar for maximum leverage. Turn counterclockwise to remove. The socket will be permanently damaged afterward, so use one you do not need to keep. This method works on most factory wheel locks installed at the dealership. Use a pipe wrench. A pipe wrench has hardened teeth designed to grip round metal surfaces. Its job for this task is to bite into the wheel lock sides as it turns. When you tighten the pipe wrench down hard on the lock and turn counterclockwise, the teeth grab the outer edge and break the lock free. This method requires a quality pipe wrench with sharp teeth still intact. How to use it? Choose a pipe wrench large enough to grip the wheel lock firmly. Position the wrench so the teeth bite into the lock body. Tighten the wrench until it holds securely. Use a long handle for leverage and turn counterclockwise. The lock should rotate and come off after a few turns. A quality pipe wrench costs between $20 and $40. Drill out the lock. A drill and a hardened bit can completely remove the wheel lock by cutting through its metal core. Its job is to weaken the lock until the remaining shell breaks apart. When you drill through the center of the lock and follow up with a chisel, the lock splits and comes off. This method permanently destroys the wheel lock but works on stuck or rounded ones. How to use it? Center punch the middle of the lock face. Drill straight down using progressively larger drill bits, starting at about a 1/4 inch. Stop when the lock body weakens significantly. Insert a chisel into the drilled hole and tap with a hammer to split the lock. The split pieces fall away and the wheel comes off normally. Replace the lock with a standard nut. Use a hammer and chisel. A cold chisel and a heavy hammer can split open most wheel locks. Their job is to apply enough force to crack the lock body. When you hold the chisel against the side of the lock at an angle and strike it firmly, the lock develops a crack. With repeated strikes, the lock splits open and falls off. This brute force method works on stubborn locks that other tools cannot grip. How to use it? Position a cold chisel against the side of the wheel lock at a steep angle pointing in the counterclockwise direction. Strike the chisel firmly with a heavy hammer or sledge. The angled strikes drive the lock around in the loosening direction. Continue striking until the lock turns freely or splits apart. Always wear safety glasses to protect from metal fragments. Heat the lock carefully. Heat expands metal and breaks down rust and corrosion. The lock's job in normal conditions is to stay tight in the wheel. When you apply heat, the metal expands slightly and breaks any rust bond. Combined with another removal method, heat makes a stuck lock turn much more easily. This method works best when combined with a wrench or socket attempt that has already failed. How to use it? Use a propane torch to heat the wheel lock for 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful to avoid heating the wheel itself excessively, especially on alloy wheels. Keep the heat focused only on the lock. After heating, immediately try to remove it with a wrench or extractor socket. The expansion often breaks the lock free even after years of being stuck. Call a mobile mechanic service. Mobile mechanics travel to your location with specialized tools. Their job is to handle exactly this kind of problem at your home or workplace. When the tools and methods above fail, a professional with the right equipment can remove the lock quickly without damaging the wheel. The cost is usually less than towing to a shop, plus the shop's lock removal fee combined. How to call. Search for mobile mechanic services in your area online. Compare prices for wheel lock removal specifically. Most charge between $50 and $100 for the service. Confirm they have lock removal experience before booking. Provide the make, model, and year of your vehicle so they bring the right tools. A professional service prevents wheel damage in difficult cases.